Hare Krishna. I am going to show you how to make your very own coconut oil at home. Fortunately, there's no need for any expensive oil press machines. All you'll need are a few simple kitchen items that you may already have in your kitchen. First, you'll need 5 large, fully ripe coconuts. The green ones won't work. Those are typically used for coconut water, and they have very little oil content. We will need to remove all the meat from the shell. There's many different kinds of tools for taking out the coconut meat, but we just use the simple chopping knife. Just be careful, it can be dangerous. Now it is time to shred the coconut meat. This time we'll use a high-speed blender and some warm water. Fill the blender half full of coconut meat and add enough warm water so that the coconut blends nicely. It is best to use warm to hot water because it helps to extract the oil. Blend for about a minute until the coconut is shredded very finely. Then pour into a separate pot. Continue this process until all of your coconut is finely shredded. Now it is time to squeeze the coconut shreds. You will need to do this process for at least 15 minutes. This ensures that all the oils are extracted into the coconut milk. Next, you will need to strain the coconut through a fine mesh cloth. Place some of the coconut onto the cloth and squeeze the milk out. Continue this process until you have squeezed all the coconut mixture. In the cloth, you will be left with damp coconut shreds like this. There are many uses for these coconut shreds, so don't toss them. The next step is to place all your coconut milk into a large bowl. Then, put a lid on top and keep on the counter for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, the oil and coconut curds will be floating on top, and the water will be at the bottom. A great trick to get the oil out easily is to place this mixture into the fridge for about an hour. By doing this, it solidifies the coconut oil, making it really easy to separate. Place all the solid bits into a small pot to prepare for the next step. This is mostly oil, but it still has water. Now it is time to cook the remaining water out of the oil. Please make sure to place your pot on low heat because the curds can burn easily. The cooking process should take about half hour. Check every 5 minutes or so and stir. Make sure the curds are not sticking to the bottom of the pan as this will cause them to burn, which will change the taste and color of the coconut oil. This is what it looks like after about 20 minutes. Continue to stir and make sure the curds are not sticking to the bottom of the pan. You will know it is ready when the oil has become transparent. Also, the curds will have turned brown and look a little dried out. The next step is to separate the curds from the oil. We used a heat-safe mason jar with a funnel on top, a sifter just for support, and then placed a fine meshed cloth over it. Next, pour the oil mixture in and watch your homemade coconut oil go to the bottom. That's it. We did it. We just made homemade coconut oil. This is no comparison to the coconut oil you buy at the store. It has such a sweet and strong coconut smell. Coconut oil has so many uses for cooking and skincare. Unfortunately, there is so much cheating on the markets that it is very difficult to get anything pure. For this batch, we used 5 large coconuts and we just got over a cup of oil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.